Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the kettlebell power snatch. Let's take this kettlebell for our power snatch. We're going to face our palm right in between our legs, hips back, and then we're going to use our hips to generate all that power. It's going to be a straight pull all the way up, so you don't want to clean it to here and then press up. We're pulling all the way to the top. All right, so from here, boom, straight up. Back down like this, rotate, straight up. Now there's a quick tutorial for the kettlebell power snatch. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, or share. Kettlebell power snatch, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.